Labradorite Gemstone. Labradorite is found in mafic igneous rocks and is made of calcium sodium. Formation occurs under intense heat and pressure when multiple types of minerals and rocks merge before crystallization. Labradorite is considered a semi-precious gemstone, making it an affordable yet beautiful option to purchase. Labradorite is often confused with moonstone. Although similar in appearance, a part of the feldspar group of minerals. They are made of different elements. Moonstone can only display a small range of colors compared to the large spectrum of labradorite. Unlike other gemstones, labradorite can currently not be man-made. The unique play of color is just too challenging to react. An inexpensive gemstone. You could expect to pay roughly $40 a carat for high quality labradorite. The most expensive color is red, which will fetch a significantly higher price per carat. Color is arguably the most important factor in determining the value of the labradorite. Taking into account the stone's labradorescence, hue and natural beauty. What does labradorite look like? Each piece of labradorite is irreplicable. The internal structure defines the stone, adorning it with its unique color. The weathering exposes the stone's natural beauty before being displayed in the final cut. The most typical color is a shade of green-blue, but it also comes in other colors such as red, yellow, gray, and colorless. The signature look is the peacock, an array of different shades and hues across the stone, similar to the peacock's tail feathers. Labradorite can display beautiful iridescence, play of color, where the color changes depending on which angle you view the stone. So much so that the labradorite spawned the new word labradorescence. It displays a skilling pattern cast by light entering the stone and reflecting back by the unique atomic structure. History of the labradorite stone. Labradorite had been popular in Inuit and First Nations culture for hundreds of years. But it was not until the late 18th century that it was discovered by the outside world. After its discovery, it quickly became famous for jewelry pieces in Europe. Around the world, deposits have now been discovered. One beautiful myth is that the northern lights shone down on the rock and got stuck inside, imprinting stone with the beautiful peacock pattern released from the rock after being struck by a spear. Any rock left untouched still has the northern light pattern. Thanks for watching.